Hey there, it's Paul from iBroke here with a quick little video. What not to do when repairing an iPad digitizer. Uh, this digitizer is red-faced. Uh, it was installed by somewhere else, not by us. And the client had broke it. Now they brought it back to us to replace the screen again. I had the damnedest time getting inside this. Kept on heating it up, heating it up, heating it up. Finally I got where I could get in a little. Anyways, long story short, they used Gorilla Tape. Gorilla Tape is like crazy glue on double-sided tape. It's a permanent tape. I guess some of these shops, they assume, that you're only ever going to replace your screen once. They must not have kids. As in the case here, it's an 8-year-old's iPad. Here's a piece of that I was able to pull off of it. And I don't know if we can see just how thick. I mean, this stuff is crazy, literally. And so what's happened is it's cemented part of the Wi-Fi antenna to the glass, as well as the right side 3G antenna. This is a 3G model. This stuff is just crazy. It's I can't even barely peel it up. I managed to get a little corner started down here. Now if I hold this and pull, and I don't know if we can see this on the camera or not, but if I hold this and pull, I bet you I can break this glass before the tape comes off. It's that strong. And why anybody would ever, I mean, well, I've been doing this long enough to know why they did it. Any tech will tell you if you're not using the right adhesives, if you don't prep the frames properly, means getting off all the old adhesive before you put new adhesive on, the screens eventually lift. The customer brings it back to you and says, hey, my screen's lifting. Fix it again. So yeah, it's not profitable when the screens keep coming back. And different repair places have different ways of combating that. Unfortunately, some better than others. Using Gorilla Tape like this is a definite no-no. I'm just so disgusted by this. And nice little Canadian flag here. I cut the digitizer off. It's broken anyways. It's a easy way to... Nice little Canadian flag on there, which makes me laugh. Every single last one of these are manufactured in China. Doesn't matter where you get it from, they're manufactured in China. This one, they've gone out of their way to put a Canadian flag on it. It was somewhere out in BC that did this, apparently. Really don't know what much more I can say, other than it's going to cost the customer slightly more than just a glass replacement, because we've got to replace the right side 3G antenna, and we've got to replace the Wi-Fi antenna.